Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick inform video. In today's video, I'm showing you a special mic that was sent to me for review, and it's gonna be my honest opinion about it. So pretty cool. It's by Pop Voice, as you can see right here. You can see it very nice, detailed. It is the PV610 Plus. So lavalier microphone. Very nice. As you guys know, when I make videos on my cell phone, I use a mic similar to this one, but not as nice looking as this one, that's for sure. So that's why I'm excited to get this microphone and review it. But as you can see, it's good for smartphones, tablets, laptops, and desktops. So very cool. As you can see here on the side, it does have their website. So it is internet. As you can see, Internet Explorer, that's funny, www.popvoiceus.com. So very nice. Also, there's a QR code there if you want to use it. And another very cool. I like their logo. As you can see, they're like music notes, and it says Pop Voice. So here's their social media. So it says, if you have any questions, please contact us. And there is their contact information as well. So they do have a support and Facebook page as well. Designed in the US and made in China, like Apple. So yep, let's get into it, guys, and see. So like I said, shout outs to Pop Voice for sending this. As you can see, first time opening it up. So let's see. Ooh, so there it is. Let me put this aside so it doesn't. Wow, look at that nice little bag. It does say Pop Voice on there. I do like it. It's sway material. Doesn't feel cheap or anything, but I do like it has a little carrying case. So as we open it up, so let me put this aside so it doesn't take away from the focus. Here's a little guidebook. It looks like it. Very cool. So it does support 360 microphones, professional and everything, and it shows you as well how to use it. So package contains lavalier microphone, a clip. That's the one thing I was looking exactly for, a clip, because mine actually broke on my cheap microphone. Also, there is a PC adapter, so a lot of these microphones don't work without having this PC adapter, and wind muffle. So it has two of them, kind of like the pop filter I'm using on my mic. So it's very easy to use, guys. As you can see, here's the steps to do it. Turn on this. So very easy. So of course, for the new headphones, for the new iPhone like 7 Plus and up, you will have to use the 3.5mm headphone jack adapter for Apple, but straightforward. Let's get into it, guys. As you can see, here is the wind noise or pop filters, little pop filters. And then this is for a PC if you're going to use it. So very cool. I do enjoy that. For PC, I'm definitely going to stick to my, like I said, professional microphone here. But for my cell phone, I'm definitely going to use this if it beats my current one. So let's go ahead and check it out. So here's the microphone itself. I like that it does have this cable management. So look at that, Pop Voice. I do like they put their logo everywhere. Very nice, professional of them. And here it is. It is 6 foot long, guys. I don't know if I told you about this, but this is 6 foot. So very nice. Look, it's pretty long. I mean, good Lord, I can't even. My hands won't even stretch that far. And I'm 6'2", so that's pretty cool. So very nice. As you can see, here it is. It is gold plated at least. So let me kind of try to get it to focus. It's kind of hard on a little object, but yeah, there you go. But you get it. It says their name on there. So very nice. And here it is. It's already with the little pop filter here and the little clip. So very nice. Look at that. All right, guys, let's test it out. So I'm gonna change to my cell phone and see how well the quality records. So if it sounds different, it's because I'm using my this microphone now. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so as you can see now, I am using the microphone right here on my shirt. As you can see, very nice. I do like that it has a clip. Like I said, sorry if it does sound echoey. It's not the microphone, it is my room. You can probably hear it in my mic as well. It's like I said, I'm just setting up the studio, so there's not much things in here. So I can even hear from here that my voice is a little bit echoey, so don't mind it any. That this microphone is very nice. So hopefully it does sound good, but as you can see, here's the microphone. As you can see, I did purchase it recently. Pop voice, very nice. It does have 4.5 stars. So very, very nice microphone. You can use it with anything made of polished and protected steel, as you know, guys. Very nice, works for iPads, iPhones, Androids, all that good stuff. So it's just super professional looking, and it does have that microphone adapter. It's only $10, guys. So if you want to get this microphone for you, you new YouTubers starting off, remember this does work on your PC as well and your phone. So go ahead and check it out. I will have a link that's affiliated, so I'll get a little bit of extra change if you do it. And hopefully it does sound good. Like I said, I'm excited to hear what it sounds like. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. I would say, I would probably do a final review of this microphone later on, but overall, just for how it is and professional looking it looks, I would definitely tell you to go ahead and pick it up and let me know what you think. So like I said, thank you for watching, guys. And yeah, professional microphone, I'm definitely gonna do. It's good for also interviews and all that stuff. And so pop filter works very nice, and hopefully, I'm definitely going to be using it for all my videos now that I use my cell phone to record with, just because I want something more professional than what I have, and this looks like it might fill that gap. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe, check it out.